Hello, my name is Dipti Haria. My project is Gordie Howe International Bridge Case Study. Project Initiation and Planning Part 1. Object Objective Project Objective built a six-line bridge at the busiest US-Canada commercial border crossing, including ports of entry, pedestrian and cyclist paths, highway connections, and toll facilities. Connect Windsor or Ontario and Detroit, Michigan with a 1.5 mile span. Project success factors adherence to PMBOK guides, best practices, and professional project management standards. Robust governance framework and cross functional interference management, proactive risk management through monthly schedule analysis and scenario modeling, strong public private partnership structure with clear oversight responsibilities, high level scope, construct of 1.5-mile cable stayed bridge on of the five longest in North America, develop new ports of entry and inspection facilities for both countries, build collection facilities to finance operation and maintenance, improve local infrastructure, include Michigan I-75 interchange modifications. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Riyajul Islam. I'm going to talking about project initiations and planning part two. Key stakeholders and intents. Windsors, Windsors Detroit Bridge Authority project oversight. Bridging North America BNA design being finance, operate, maintain. Canadian and U.S. governments border security, trade sorry, facilitations, local communities, economic benefits, environmental concerns, commercial tracking industry, efficient border crossing, milestone schedule. 2012 Windsor Detroit Bridge Authority created by Canadian Parliament. 2008 to 2020 property acquisition and community engagement construction initiations. 2024 expected project competition. Budget Canadian 5.7 billion over 74 months. Construction period 30 years operation period. Initial risk cross-border regularity complexity, environment assessment, compliance, 45 plus conditions, stakeholders assignment across two nations, weather and technical construction challenges.
Hi everyone, my name is Mariana Spitia and I'm going to talk about the execution, monitoring, and controlling. This is the part one. Um, as shown as shown in this table, several high-level risks were identified, such as cross-border regulatory delays and environmental compliance violations. These risks can lead to serious impacts like schedule delays, cost overruns, or even project shutdown. They manage these To manage this risk, the team implement strategies such as early regulatory engagement, environmental monitoring programs, and strong coordination between stakeholders. Additionally, medium level risk like supply chain disruptions and weather related delay were addressed through contingency planning and multiple supplier strategies. Overall, this structured risk management approach allows the project to reduce uncertainty and maintain control over time, cost, and quality. In this slide, we can see the communication and monitoring strategy used through the project. Different types of communication were established depending on the stakeholders and the purpose. For example, by national government, updates were conducted monthly to ensure regulatory compliances, while project team meetings took place weekly to track the progress and resolve issues quickly. In addition, community information sessions and stakeholder board reviews were led regulatory to maintain transparency and support decisions making. Environmental monitoring reports were also submitted monthly to ensure compliance with regulations. Overall, this communication plan plays a key role in keeping all the stakeholders aligned and ensuring the project runs effectively and successfully. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Faiza, and I'm going to conclude this presentation. So my topic is project success determination. So let's start. So we're gonna discuss about how the International Bridge project has been successful, and it was very successful project, no doubt. There are many evidences of success. So let's discuss them one by one. Schedule performances. The project progressive towards 2024 completion target as originally planned. The major milestone achieved, including the property acquisition and tower foundation work, effective use of predictive process preventing the critical path delay. Stakeholder satisfaction. In 2020, P3 awards recognition for the environmental, social, and governance performance and successful community engagement with 120 plus local businesses and then 90 plus other involved in that. The positive collaboration between the Canadian and the US government stakeholders, and then the quality and compliances adherence to the PM book guide standard as contractually required. Comprehensive environmental progress program addressing the 450 plus assessment conditions, and then sustainable design feature including the LED lighting and dark sky illumination. If we talk about the financial management, a $5.7 billion budget was maintained with tool revenue that ensure the long-term sustainability. Strategically, this project addresses critical infrastructure need and serve as a model of the future cross-border collaboration. That highlights the effective application of professional project management practices. Sorry.